Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how you can set up an automation so that your phone stops charging once it reaches 80%. So I have used this automation in the past to make sure that my iPhone's battery health is not reducing too fast so that I can maintain the battery health. As you can see, the battery health is 78% now, and that's after 4 years. So this phone is 4 years old. So I think having 78% battery health after 4 years is really good. What it basically does is that it charges my phone up to 80% and the power to the charger cuts off. Like that my phone gets charged to 80% even if I leave it on charger overnight. Without any delay, let's get started with the video. I'll show you step by step how to set this up so that you can set this up for your own device. To set this up, you'll need the shortcuts app on iPhone. You'll need the Smart Life app, and also you'll need a smart plug. I'm using a Wipro plug here. You can use any smart plug that will work with Smart Life app. So let's get started. First, you can download the Smart Life app and you can create an account on it. So once you have created an account, you'll see this home page here. You'll see an add device option. So you can go ahead and add your smart plug to your Smart Life app. This process will differ from device to device, so I'll not be showing you the exact process for this plug. You can find the same on your device's box on how to set this up with the app. So you can see here my smart plug is connected to the app. I'm able to control my smart plug from my app. The second step is to create two scenes, one to turn on this smart plug, one to turn off this smart plug, so that we can control it using shortcuts app. Basically, you can click on scene here and create scene. Then you can click on launch tab to run, and for the then you'll click on the plus button here, control single device. You'll select your smart plug, switch one off, and you'll save it. I'll call it Wipro off. You can call it anything. So that's done. So if I click on off, it'll turn off. The next step is to add this to shortcuts app. So you'll click on add to Siri here, and you'll click on Wipro off. You can see if you say this phrase, it'll basically execute that scenario. Done. Now let's go to shortcuts app and see if it is ready. Wipro off. Yeah, it's off. Okay, so it's basically linked with our shortcuts app now. Now I'll have to do one change in the shortcuts app. You can click on these three dots, click on this and disable this show when run. Okay, so you disabled show when run for both the shortcuts here. Okay, so that's done. So the next step is to basically set up the automation. So if you see towards bottom, we have the automation option here. We'll click on that and we'll click on new automation. If you scroll down, you'll see low power mode. We'll click on that and we'll disable this and we'll set it to this is turned off. So we're basically asking it to execute this automation when the low power mode is turned off, and we'll select run immediately and we'll click on next. Now we'll select the scenario which we set up in the previous step, that is Wipro off. So what happens is when our phone reaches 80%, iPhone automatically disables low power mode, and that will execute this automation which will turn off this plug. So if our phone is charging, it'll stop charging at 80%. So we'll add another shortcut which will make our life a little bit more easier. We'll come to shortcuts section here. We'll add another shortcut. We'll search for low power mode. Yeah, the first one. We'll set it to turn on and we'll click on done. So this is a set low power mode on. Now what we'll do is we'll go to automation again. We'll add a new automation and we'll go to the power section. Charger. When my iPhone connects to power, is connected, is selected and run immediately, and next we'll select set low power mode. When we connect our phone to the charger, it'll enable low power mode, and when the phone reaches 80%, it'll turn off low power mode, which will execute this automation and it'll cut off the power to this charger, so our phone will stop charging. So let's see if it's working now. Just plugged it in. So this is turned off. So we'll just turn it on. Okay, you can see the phone is charging now, and you can see it just turned yellow because low power mode was turned on. Because of this automation, it turned on low power mode automatically when it was connected to the charger. Low power mode just turned off, and the power also turned off. As you guys just saw, the low power mode first turned off when it reached 80%, and then the power got cut off automatically. So that's the whole scenario which you have set up now. This will definitely help you to maintain your phone's battery health. So that's it for this video. Really hope it was useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you found this to be helpful. Do let me know if you have any questions about this, and I'll be happy to help you in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.